ప్రాణలింగాష్టకం.
Chitta means consciousness. It is self-consciousness. It is a part of the mind. Chitta, that is consciousness, is the repository of all emotions and feelings. Pranaling is the embodiment of consciousness. As a result of the teachings and mantra initiation given by Sadguru Shivacharya, the pranaling comes to be experienced in the chitta, that is in the mind. It removes the mayamala, that is the dirt of illusion, that has been in me since time immemorial. Thus, the pranaling protects me from the evil effects of maya. I bow to that Chinmaya pranaling.
योगी गुरु प्रतिबोधितलिङ्गं मान्त्रसुदीक्षितवेद्यसुलिङ्गम्
योगी गुरु प्रतिबोधितलिङ्गं मान्त्रसुदीक्षितवेद्यसुलिङ्गम्
मायिकपाशनिकृन्तनलिङ्गं
तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम् तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम् तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम्.
The human body created by Shiva Shakti is composed of 5 basic forces or Vayus, namely Udana, Prana, Vyana, Samana and Apana. These 5 Vayus, that is energies, function as part of the subtle body. In Yoga and Ayurveda, these energies are identified as the 5 great pranas. Among these, Pranvayu is the life-giving energy that is taken into the body and is used for its nourishment, whereas Apanvayu is the energy that is no longer needed by the body and is expelled from the body. Pranavayu moves upwards, while Apanavayu moves downwards and outwards. The Jyoti, or the light that appears due to the collision of Pranavayu and Apanavayu with each other, is called Pranalinga. Due to the control of breath, when the Pranavayu in the heart region collides with the Apanvayu in the anal region, the existence of the pranaling is experienced in the form of Jyoti, that is light. Then this light flows upwards from the Mooladhara chakra through the Sushumna Nadi. I bow to this Chinmaya Pranalinga, which is the embodiment of consciousness.
प्राणनिरोधसुगम्यसुलिङ्गं प्राणापानसुघातजलिङ्गं
प्राणनिरोधसुगम्यसुलिङ्गं प्राणापानसुघातजलिङ्गम्
कन्दसुमध्यसमुत्थितलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम् तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम्.
This luminous Pranalinga is the root cause and central place for the origin existence and merger of the entire Prana Shakti, that is life force. This Pranaling is also called the Antarling. The Pranaling, which resides in the subtle body, is visible to yogis in three places, namely the Mooladhara Chakra, the heart, and between the eyebrows in the state of yoga. I bow to the Chinmaya Pranaling, which is worn in the subtle body and is the embodiment of consciousness.
प्राणविलीनसुतैजसलिङ्गं सूक्ष्मशरीरविराजितलिङ्गम्
प्राणविलीनसुतैजसलिङ्गं सूक्ष्मशरीरविराजितलिङ्गं
त्रिस्थलगोचरसूक्ष्मसुलिङ्गं
तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम् तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम् तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम्
In the state of yoga, the pranaling appears like gold in the Mooladhara Chakra, like coral in the heart, and like pure crystal between the eyebrows. And it is the embodiment of consciousness. I bow to this Chinmaya Pranalinga.
मूलसुसंस्थितकाञ्चनलिङ्गं हृदयविराजितविद्रुमलिङ्गम्
मूलसुसंस्थितकाञ्चनलिङ्गं हृदयविराजितविद्रुमलिङ्गम्
भ्रूवरमध्यसुशुभ्रसुलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम् तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम् तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम्
I bow to the Chinmaya Pranaling, which is worshipped by the great Shiva yogis, which gives moksha, that is salvation, to all the yogis who worship it, which is worshipped by adopting and offering virtues like forgiveness and wisdom in daily life, and which is the embodiment of consciousness.
परशिवयोगिसमर्चितलिङ्गम् अर्चितयोगिसुमोक्षदलिङ्गम्
परशिवयोगिसमर्चितलिङ्गम् अर्चितयोगिसुमोक्षदलिङ्गम्
गुणगणपूजितपावनलिङ्गम्
तत्प्रणमामि
सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम्
तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम् तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम्
With the firm resolve to adopt virtues, I anoint the Pranalinga with pure water, symbolizing the qualities of Sahanasilata and Kshama, that is, forbearance and forgiveness. I wipe the Pranalinga with Vastra, that is, cloth, symbolizing Viveka, that is, wisdom or understanding. I worship the Pranalinga with devotion by applying Chinmaya Basma, that is Vibhuti, to the Pranaling. And I bow down to the Chinmaya Pranaling, the embodiment of consciousness.
सहनसुजलवरसिञ्चितलिङ्गं वस्त्रविवेकसमर्पितलिङ्गं
सहनसुजलवरसिञ्चितलिङ्गं वस्त्रविवेकसमर्पितलिङ्गम्
चिन्मय भस्मसुलेपितलिङ्गं
तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम्
तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम्
By offering beautiful flowers symbolizing Vairagya, that is renunciation or sacrifice, to the Pranaling with the resolve to adopt Vairagya. By decorating the Pranaling with the ornament of truth with the resolve to know truth and put it into practice. And by applying the fragrant sandalwood paste symbolizing meditation to the Pranaling, I bow down to the Chinmaya Pranaling, the embodiment of consciousness.
गन्धसमाधिसमर्पितलिङ्गं विरतिसुहारसुवेष्टितलिङ्गम्
गन्धसमाधिसमर्पितलिङ्गं विरतिसुहारसुवेष्टितलिङ्गं
सत्यविभूषितसुन्दरलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम्
प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम्
By offering the lamp of knowledge and the sound of the silent bell to the Pranaling, and with the buddhi, that is intellect or mind, that rejoices in the knowledge of the oneness of Shiva and the Jiva, I bow down to the Chinmaya Pranaling, the embodiment of consciousness.
ज्ञानसुदीपसमर्पितलिङ्गं मौनसुघण्टनिनादितलिङ्गं
ज्ञानसुदीपसमर्पितलिङ्गं मौनसुघण्टनिनादितलिङ्गम्
ऐक्यसुबुद्धिनमस्कृतलिङ्गं
तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम्
तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सुचिन्मयलिङ्गम्
Whoever recites this divine Pranalingastak, composed by Jagadguru Dr. Chandrasekhar Sivacharya Mahaswamiji of Kashi Peeth, with complete devotion and introspection, attains moksha, that is salvation in life.
प्राणलिङ्गाष्टकं दिव्यम् जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदायकम् अन्तर्मुखेन सेवेत प्रत्यहं रहसि स्थितः
ज्ञानसिंहासनेशेन चन्द्रशेखरयोगिना कृतं लिङ्गाष्टकं पुण्यं पठन् भूतिमवाप्नुयात्